What's happening? What's happening, Basehead family? Underground Car Audio coming to you live. It's your boy Rob T, man. We did it again. Got two this time. We got two. That one right there meant a lot to me. Best install, Godzilla. Best install, Godzilla. I want to say thank you to Team Bass Outlaw for hosting the annual Toy Drive and Sound Off. I really wasn't expecting to win, but hey man, I put a lot into my craftsmanship, and it's always a blessing. Thank you to everybody, Josh, the whole team. I'm sorry if I don't mention your name. I'm just getting to know you guys. But again, thank you. It means a lot. But we're not finished yet. Like I said, I want to represent Port Arthur in Texas, and I want to go to nationals. I want to win the whole thing. And I'm not going to stop winning. I'm going to say that again with a little guard in it. I'm not going to stop winning. This is what I'm supposed to do. So I'm going to do it. But anyway, now that we got that out the way. Hi, boy, I got some hardware. Got some hardware. PA, your boy got some hardware. Yeah. We're getting a little recognition down here. Third again. Real close to second. But I got something special for this one though. Y'all just hang on just a second. I gotta cut the lights off on them boys, man. Like I say, best install, right? Here you go. Yeah. Lit it up. Holla at me, Team Bass Outlaw. And that trophy hard, man. Yeah, I came home and lit it up for y'all. Holla at your boy, man. Underground Car Audio.